Today I'm sharing with you simple and easy last minute DIY gifts for Father's Day. With Father's Day being just a day away, I thought these would be the perfect gifts during this lockdown when we're stuck at home with very little supplies and we can't buy things. So for the first DIY, I actually wanted to use a photo frame, but since I could not find one that fitted my need, I resorted to the next best alternative. I took a piece of cardboard and computer paper, which I have in plenty at home, and I decided to put the handprints of 3 boys. I used normal watercolor paints, painted the hand and stamped it onto the paper. After the first one dried, I repeated the same thing with the other 2 boys. At this time, I would like to acknowledge and wish a very happy Father's Day to all the fathers, grandfathers, great-grandfathers and all the fatherly figures out there. We truly appreciate the love, support and sacrifice that you have made for us. Thank you and God bless you. As a handprint didn't come out completely, I used a paintbrush to fill in the gaps. And once the second one dried, I did it with the third boy. These handprints are gifts that any father or grandfather would appreciate. They always love keeping memories of their grandchildren close by them. You can choose any colors that you like or whichever colors the kids like. Place the paper on the cardboard and trace around the edges and cut it out. And covered it with some plastic paper that I had. And I wrote, "Dear Tata, here's a big high five for being the world's greatest grandfather. We love you." And I wrote the names of the boys on their handprints. Second DIY, I took this photo frame, dismantled it, took the insert out and traced it on a computer paper and cut it out. And then using these letter stickers that I had on hand, I spelled "I love you, Appa." And then I asked one of the boys to paint over it. And then I let it dry and remove the stickers. You can even do it with the colors of colors that the father likes, and then I reassembled it. This was a quick DIY. And the reveal. Dun, da, da, da. Doesn't it look nice? Let me know in the comments. Now for the third one, I had some nuts at home and I took this empty jar, washed it and dried it, and you can choose any nuts that you have. I had cashews and badam, almond, and I went in for a layered effect. I put in a layer of almonds, and then a layer of cashews, then again a layer of almonds, then again a layer of cashews. You can even mix the nuts and put them. Feel free to use any nuts that you have at home. This DIY can also be done with M&Ms, gems, any nutty chocolates, anything like that. I like this layered effect. Don't you think it looks nice? Now for the top, I took this doily and cut out the center using scissors, and then stuck it on top. And since this paper was thin, I could still see the label through it, and I painted a check pattern on it. First painted it red and then put black checks on it. Then I took this scrap piece of cardboard, and on top of the box I wrote "We are nuts about Dad." And then on the cardboard I wrote "Happy Father's Day." This is a simple gift. And who doesn't like nuts? Now for the next one. I had these popcorn packets at home, and there's an empty biscuit box. I cut it so that it could become a container for the popcorn. I wrapped it up with leftover wrapping paper. And then put the popcorns inside. These were 3-minute instant popcorns. And then added a tag to the world's greatest pop you rock. And that was this DIY. Hope you find these very simple and easy to do. And then for the final one, you can take any bar of chocolate that you have at home, and using computer paper, you can also use chart paper, and I made it into a cape, cut out a face, and used extra cardboard to write "Superhero Dad." All our dads are superheroes, don't you think? Well, those were my 5 DIYs. Hope you liked them. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care, God bless, bye-bye. Smile Jesus loves you. Don't forget to wish all your dads a very happy Father's Day. Dads, you rock. You're awesome. You guys are the greatest. And we love you loads and loads, whether we say it out loud or not. Thank you for all that you've done for us. May God bless you and make you a blessing to many.